In this very quick video guide, we're going to see how we can set or switch the network that we're using. So right now I'm using 4G and I want to change it to 5G, for example. So what I do is just scroll down from the top of the screen, or basically you need to look for the settings. So right now I'm just gonna ignore these messages. Okay, so drop down from the top to the bottom, try to scroll all the way down, and usually you will find this engine icon down at the bottom. You want to click on that engine icon at the bottom, and then here, to make it really fast, just search for pref and go down here to preferred network type and click on this. And down here you'll find the preferred network type. So you click here and you just switch to the preferred network that you want to set up. So it's an easy switch once you know the term, how to find it. And you can also use other networks. So this will be all for this really quick video. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, please subscribe to the channel and stay updated. If you want, here you have also more settings for network and internet, but we're gonna discover these in other videos. So subscribe to the channel to stay updated, and also join the channel if you wanna support us. And thank you, and see you in the next video.